Hi folks, I'm staying home. 2020 has been the first year for us people to become a hero just by staying home. And we want to celebrate our heroes with this unboxing offer. The rule is super simple. On either your YouTube or Twitter feeds, post your unboxing video with hashtag CDJapan unboxing. Every week we will select winners and give 1000 rewards points. While I did say unboxing is nonetheless fine, no matter what you post, as long as you follow one rule. That is, post a video to express how much you love it. Okay? It is okay if you post products purchased from the other shops. It is okay if you post products already being unpackaged. In this project, we want to encourage you heroes staying home. But more than anything, we want to see you alive and well. We want to show everyone all over the world that no matter how mad things go, we can rise again by putting our hearts together. Hope you join this promotion, and I'm sure that we will definitely overcome the situation we are facing. Okay? And my first unboxing video will be this. Isn't it cool, huh? Stay tuned until our next step. And it will be great that you join us and have fun. Okay? Bye.